Okay, go on your side. Face me this way. Oh my gosh. I love mine.
Lily just went. Okay.
Alright, relax here. Okay, go on this side. You alright? Moving. Alright. Alright, sit up. I'm gonna take this face keeper off. And do the last
I try to say, no, yes.
It's the only thing that your neck actually likes. You're like the best voice drop candidate.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Take a deep breath in and out. How's that?
Did you hear the one at the top of my neck?
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh, this one over in there.